Okay. Watch out. Excuse me, it's Hante.
Hi, guys.
Okay.
Hi, guys. So, what are we doing today, Mommy?
So we're going to do this volcano blast. And
Yeah.
it doesn't have very good directions. So first thing is, can you grab
Don't get mad, though.
Grab the scissors. Please.
Where are the scissors?
Over on your thing.
Where?
Okay, cool.
Oh.
Okay, so this doesn't have very good directions, so
I know, but
we're just gonna
don't get mad, guys.
give it a try.
Yeah.
Look in the video, see if you can see the volcano. This is activator powder 1.
See?
It doesn't say if we use the whole bag or not, but I'm just gonna pour in the whole bag. It just says mix equal parts together.
Yeah.
This is activator number 2.
What do we have to use for this one?
Mix and stir equal amount of powder. So we put it together, and now we're gonna stir it with this little spoon that they gave us.
And then what is this for?
Give it a good
What is
stir.
This for? The water or what?
That is for the water, yes.
That's what the water is for.
Okay, and show them our volcano that we're gonna make. Ew, it's like into my finger. It's okay.
Sorry, guys. This volcano.
Okay, so what we do. It doesn't even tell you what to do. Okay, so what we're gonna do is this.
We don't know what to do, but
I hope this is not making mess.
Yeah.
So I'm gonna put some water in our tube. It doesn't tell us how much water to use either. So I just filled this up like halfway. I'm gonna put a scoop of the powder on top of our volcano.
Okay.
1 level scoop on top in this little hole.
Oh no.
Oh no. Oh no. The water's leaking.
What?
No, I didn't mean to do that.
What?
I dropped a droplet of water in this thing. Okay. So we did that. Now we're gonna add some water.
See, guys? The volcano!
Oh!
For more! See, guys?
Cool.
It's gonna blow up. It's in here too.
I guess you could add more.
Hey. Do it quick, 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 quick. Oh!
That is cool.
Yo, yo, yo.
Pretty cool.
See, guys? Why is it going on the floor?
I don't know.
Oh.
And it's still going in there. It's bubbling. Yeah, I'll give them a good look at this.
I put more in. I put more in, guys.
Oh, you gotta put water in now.
What?
I'll do the water.
Come on, come on.
You got it? Oh, all over the floor. That's great. Ew, it smells. Oh my god, it smells. Do you smell that?
Yeah.
Or was that you?
It's not me.
Ew, it smells like rotten eggs. What are these ingredients? Activator 1. Doesn't tell me what is in it. Activator 2. It's just baking soda. So it was baking soda and something else. That smells like rotten eggs for real. Wow. I think I'm done with this. That was our science experiment. Bye-bye. Say bye.
Bye.